What is going on, YouTube world? Quick video. All I'm gonna be doing is change this in-cabin air filter. Got this, picked this up from like AutoZone or something like that. So I just got this car. I wanted to change a couple things, all the fluids and stuff like that, but it's pretty simple. All I gotta do is take this out. It's like a little clip over here, which is broken. Would you look at that? Which is broken. So literally all I have to do is pull these two down. I'm just gonna do it right now. And it's right back there. It's like, it has a couple clips on it, but take that out, put the new one in, and done deal. And just like that, brand new in-cabin air filters. Let's do it. So let's see how bad these filters are. You guys ready? So literally, all I gotta do is take this off. And they're back there. Let's pull the first one out. Let's see this. Lord have mercy. Oh, the AC works perfectly fine. Yeah. Oh man. So yeah, that's what they look like. And that's what they're supposed to look like. So yeah. Wow. That's why you need to change the in-cabin air filters, guys. Longer than expected. Alright. Done. On. And honestly, all you have to do is like push this up. It's done. 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 Seriously though, that's gross. Alright, so what I'm gonna be doing, I forgot I bought this today, so I'm just gonna do it. Is this headlight restoration kit of Meguiar's. So it's pretty dope. Let's see if it actually works. This is the heavy duty one, so it should keep it clear for a year. We'll see. So we just got some basic glass cleaner. Already prepped everything. That's all it can with. And it says to use a drill. We got a drill, so just gonna get to it. Let's see how it comes out, but let's get a closer look at it. Let's see how bad it is. Alright, so give you an example. The old, this side we just completed. The new. I'm liking it. Pretty clean. Let's see how long it actually lasts though. Took a little time, a little pressure, a little sweat in. Florida, what can you say? It's like 80 degrees. I'm about to do this side, see how it comes out. And I think it's gonna come out pretty good. So let's see. Pretty satisfied, I must say. And I was actually looking for new headlights, and I was just at Advance, and I seen that restoration kit, so I was like, you know what? Heavy duty, says 1 year, why not? Let's try it. And this is just today, so we'll see how long it actually does last, but so far so good, I must say. And don't worry, I will be getting a new front bumper, I will be getting a new hood, and I will be getting a lot more things coming soon. You just gotta stay tuned. Bars.